Welcome. If you use Google Drive regularly for work or school, you probably know how helpful approvals can be. They let your team or colleagues quickly give feedback and finalize documents without endless back-and-forth emails. But here's the thing. If you miss an approval notification, you might also miss an important deadline. That's why setting a custom notification sound can make a big difference. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to set a specific sound for approvals on Google Drive, so you'll never overlook something important again. First, start by going to your phone's main settings. This is where all app preferences are managed, and it's the beginning of customizing your alerts. Once you're inside the settings menu, scroll until you see Apps and tap on it. Next, from the list of apps installed on your device, find and select Google Drive. This is where you'll find all of the notification controls for Drive specifically. After you've opened Google Drive's app info, tap on Notifications. This will show you the full range of alerts the app can send and how they're categorized. Here's the important part. Tap on Notification Categories. Within this section, different types of Drive notifications are split up, so you can personalize them individually. Look for the category labeled Approvals and tap on it. Inside the Approvals notification settings, you'll see the option for sound. Tap it, and you'll be able to choose from a variety of tones available on your device. Select one that stands out to you, something distinct enough that you'll immediately know it's an approval request. Once you've chosen the sound, back out of the settings. The change is saved automatically, meaning every time you get an approval request, that custom tone will play. And that's it. You've just set up a dedicated sound for Google Drive approvals. Now, you'll never miss an important notification when your input is needed. Take a minute to test it out with a real document approval, so you can make sure the sound is exactly what you want. With this simple update, you can stay on top of approvals, respond faster, and keep your workflow moving smoothly.